Yes, sir, man. We back with a motherfucking another one. What's good, D-Valley? If you don't know, you see what's going on, man. We got the light set up over here. You feel what I'm saying? I'm finna go ahead and get this shit wired up and finna get it going. Yes, sir. I gotta find a way to prop up this camera so it can capture me while I'm getting it wired up and stuff, but we're gonna figure it out. Y'all stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Going up all 2023, man. Yes, sir, D-Valley Nation. And just remember, if you don't want your girl, just bring her over here to D-Valley Nation. We got room to accommodate for her. Yes, sir. If you don't know the title of the video, if you ain't read the title of the video and you just clicked it, first of all, appreciate you, because that means I caught your eye. I got my tools, scissors, and a comb. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Support the bill. Chrysler 200. Yeah. We finna get this motherfucking shit rolling, man. I got a lot of things I'm gonna do with this car. You know what I'm saying? What would y'all like to see? Y'all let me know. You feel what I'm saying? But until then, y'all just stay tuned. Yes, sir. We gonna get you a 360 of the car. All that. You already know. Yeah, so if you D-Valley Nation, let's get a yeah. You feel me?
We started off as close friends. Somehow you turned into my girlfriend. We used to tell each other everything. I even went and bought a diamond.
So I sped up the video to get through, like, so y'all won't have to sit through all that. But basically right here, I'm getting it all around the top of the dashboard. Go ahead and getting that in.
I loved you before I knew you. No, we be fucking before I screwed you. Made a promise I won't lose you. Pay my parts right, I won't lose you. Got them swimming like I'm YouTube. Got some on me like it's blue. I go nuts when you go boo boo. Lose my cool and all. And I know that shit was wrong. I should've did what I did. Just like Bill Biden started crying. I told the truth that I've been lying. I gave you next, I tried to buy in. I even did a young king, oh boy, I'm sorry for what I did. You take me back if I was you and I did what I did. I probably wouldn't. Take you back if I was you and I did what I did. I probably.
Then right here, I was gonna put it up under the glove compartment, but I figured I couldn't do it that way. Now, mind you also, this is a Chrysler 200. You don't have to do it the way I did it, but you feel what I'm saying? That's how I try to do it, and it wasn't working out for me, so I just used the best alternative. So right here, this is the progress that I got along so far. Like I said, the dash part, I was doing the upper dash part. Came around to the sides, you know. I try my best to hide the wiring too. Right here, I was going to start on the center console, but also I'm gonna leave the link in the description to these lights. The type of lights that you gotta unscrew this little part right here, and this is where the scissors come in. Is you gotta cut the end of the wire that you're putting into like your center console, dash part, whatever, etc. So you can stick it into the light part that's gonna send the light part through, like this right here. Yes, I had to change clothes. Like I said, it was hot outside. It's hot as hell. Also, if y'all want the soundtrack, just let me know in the comments. I got you. No gatekeeping over here. So right here, I'm feeding the wire through because I figured out, like the way like I said, Chrysler 200, the way I had to do it my center console at the bottom of it, it's got a little hole, if you can see. So to get a better position, I fed it through so I can finish the center console right here. So now right here, I'm doing the dash part, like where my speedometer and everything is. Wiring everything up right there.
Reminiscing, I was sitting in a slam. They didn't book me for a show in Savannah. Steady pouring syrup up in my fountain. Money coming is extravagant. Disrespectful, no, I don't got no round. Wanna see my life flip through the channel. Go, house arrest, bitch, I'm sitting on the porch. Leave out the knob, then I pull up on stroke. Need me a gun, so I hit a black boat. Sitting in the hit when they said it won't smoke. Hold on my breath and I try to end up fast lane. Feel like I can't see a thing. Money fucking up my brain. I want all the finest things. Heard these niggas say my name. Bitch, you better not play no game. Keep it real, I do the same. Swear that I won't never change. Now I can say that I fucked the game up. Niggas started hating when they saw I came up. Stay the same, held it down in the clutch. Living on the main stage, now it's time to run my bread. Leave out of Houston and can't get the pack out. Bringing the music forever, I stand out. Banging and banging right up in the nose. Getting myself, never ask for a handout. Say you won't fight, then you know I won't stand out. Working at night every time that I'm in town. Pull up on Lenny, he right up in Ghost Town. Stay with a burner whenever I float round. Made me a million, I couldn't believe. Say she don't love me, I tell her to leave. Fucking with Trinity, rolling up trees. Said he be plotting with tricks up my sleeve. All of my niggas be moving them keys. Follow behind me, we be in the street. Say you don't get it, you know what I mean. Hold the draw down and tell us to free. From the streets, I got the game. We can't be silent, never promise. You main stage, now it's time.
I was gonna do the actual middle console, but again, the way my car is, I don't have like creases in my middle console, so I couldn't do it. Again, just an alternative to what I had to do to fit my car specifically. Or specifically, my fault. LRP.
White 45 in the game, and the middle. Some never stopping, you could catch me young while wiping. Bitch, you need to stop it. I don't do no millet rocking. I see these niggas copy. I guess I'm a trending topic. I see these bitches watching shorty look like she a got it. Come and rock your body. I got niggas on that mallet, rolling all up in the lobby. They want you to anybody.
Finishing product, the center console, basically everything, got everything in. Looking good so far. The dash part, going all the way around. Now, this will be the underlights. I have 2 charger ports. Again, that's my car specifically. I also do have a USB. I think this kit also comes with the USB one. My middle console, it has a USB and a cigarette lighter in there. So you can use whichever one to your liking. But the kit that I came with, mine came with 2 lighter consoles. So right here, I'm untangling them. Make sure you position them before you stick anything. Because, I mean, you should have enough wire, but you know what I'm saying? Always make sure you got the right positioning before you stick anything, because you wouldn't want to mess up like that. Right here, I fed the wire through to the other side. Again, getting them positioned and trying to get enough wire to make sure you know that it's perfect. This is personal preference. I like to hide my wires. So again, positioning is everything. Like this right here. Also, again, my car. So all cars should have some type of metal piece where the strip can stick to. Y'all let me know how I did on this tutorial
until it got dark for real.
And
y'all can see,
product
looks pretty good.
Let me turn on the ones at the bottom. You know, looks pretty good. Get the back view. They look pretty good. You know, very vibrant. Overall, good product. Close the door for y'all. was very, very good. So I was just saying, it looked very, very good. Very good. If I had to rate them, I would give them a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna leave the link in the description as far as where you can get these from. They're called One Up Lighting. Very good, man. I'm definitely satisfied. Definitely. So that's it for the video, man. Make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe. We dropping bangers all 2023, man. If y'all don't know, this is my Chrysler 200. Lighting installed. Yes, underglow is coming next, but I think I'm gonna let professionals do that one because I tried underglow before. Not so great, you know. That's it for this video. D Valley Nation, we out this bit. Yes, sir.
Tryna find my peace and fuck on love, y'all wanna how I been. Tryna chase this one girl, even though I risk my life for this. Kicking it by myself, fake niggas was around me, I said fuck on them. Living it by myself without no female out the white. Up Jerry on with my new life, had to let them people go. I know I ain't living right, got drink inside my styrofoam. I got a different cadence, cause I'm trying to make like nigga I'm coming different.